Welcome to another video. This will be regarding Fusion 360, and one of the main features of Fusion 360 is the fact that the UI is quite user friendly. So, for example, over here with the canvases, I can go ahead and I can hide them or show them really quickly. They will be nested over here within the canvas folder. So you can go ahead and you can only hide one of those references, as you can see over here, either the front or the side in this case. And most importantly, we can easily change the opacity. So for example, for the front view, I can go with right click, edit canvas. By default, Fusion will leave this at 50%, but you can choose any value. For example, 0 will make this completely hidden. And if I'm going to go, for example, with 100%, this will be completely visible. Now, in this case, this is a PNG file, so that means I'm not going to have that white background over here. And Fusion will leave this at 50% by default, but you can easily adjust and change that according to your needs. And this is why Fusion is really good at using canvas images as references, as you have full control over the visibility of those canvases. You also can adjust the position. As you can see over here, you can easily swap the location on X and Y, or you can add a rotation for that. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this kind of content. You're going to find additional Fusion tips and tricks on the left side. I'm going to add a playlist and I will add the subscribe button to the right. So that's it. Thanks for watching.